Hi friends, we'll do walking water experiment. Equipments. Stirring stick. From kit. Food color. 4. Tissue. Drinks from home. Water. Transparent glasses. We need 5 glasses. Fill glasses with the water. Fill 3 glasses of water almost at the top. This one, and this one. Add 6-7 drops into the glasses. Blue, orange, green. We have placed empty glasses in middle of the colored glasses. Take tissue papers and fold it from the middle like a V. Place half into the water and place half into the empty glass. It's getting working. It's stuck. See, water is working. We will put other napkin as well. Blue one didn't work. We will put tissue paper in the red glass. See, water is moving to other glass. We'll see the result after 30 minutes. Till that, bye-bye. Blue color reach to the glass, red color is reaching, green one is reaching to the glass. This was our experiment of walking water. Bye. See you tomorrow at the next experiment. See, this is the final result of walking water.